Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumbashis nem hashwa ka jingjit no mi khmat shaka yingdor bar thaw an ke jilla Kastan United Democratic Party menta ka sngi klap nosendan daga jingelang banemer jumut kumno ban prinklan chu ya ka sang na kamta banyo ka jingjob dan buram hagate ke election ka bansawan hapo ka riboy district ya ka ni ka jingelang la penlong ha yomulang batlawan baneda dengkat nado UMLA ka party na clearat constituency ubadiru minister ka sarkar MDA ba Kerman Shilla General Secretary ka parti ha ka jilla Dr. Jamino Mautho ka General Secretary jo ka Women's Wing ha ka jilla ka Kompreti Kharping Room Working President ka parti ha ka district uba dan kupar Sumer kat bay ka jingalang pat na penyadu President ka district uba dan bok hemdai lingba ka ni ka jingalang kinangilam jo ka parti kilashim rairu men pendapat ba yau ba bathok Nongmalieh komukertang jo ka parti na ka Jirang constituency But hakani ka sngi uwi na ki Pulit ke jila bala Shongthait ba protest ulawan man Pynïasoh ilde par ka parti ka phang padang jong ka jingelang kadai halor ki mat pinklanya ka parti banyo e ka jikshania bat ka jingirsan jong ki pat ba ling ba ki circle bat ki unit ba pher habaro ki santli ki constituency ka riboy bat ya ka kai phat jong ka ni ka jingelang ka bala penlong menta ka sngi ansa pin penapat ba Haka General Council juga parti, haka district, kebansalong haki dikesengi ke Banuan.
Jika jengmut kejungi ke lomba, min kampan nyar susu, ya kejeng trekam kejungi, kum ke parti UDP. Kila don kini kebenai, kila letno, bana kalian kejungi tenteng abang ipet ya kejeng long kejeng man, haka ni kejelang Meghalaya tenteng ila semua duk jengkermen. Berkeladon ke poru, iomba te tip ke UDP, dan long kumno nang ni syakmat. Nomor ba nagalang jungi kum parti UDP. Kum ban chupan kan mau. Ar hajar khat lai ila yo adu prangut ki MLA. Prangut ki MLA. But ha tu ko por barang im Dr. Don Kupar Roy. Gi ombet nginya nebet ha ko opposition. Nginya don nagalang persya. Ngidai ban sacrifice lade ban don nagalang persya nomor ba Upat ba ula ay yang taka mandit ho arajar khatlai tang prangut ki MLA nila sya sitong haka opposition sangsna adu arajar khatla barka jikmi nanti jongi hang tu por kalong ba namar bang ila sya sitong bandon haka opposition di perkhat ba arajar khatla tinginang kiu susu nakalian jongi repuse ngimtep maka igadau Ibabun kiba ngila perkhat banyo ay kajingjok ngila sya remlut ban injok tang riwut gidon hakan ni kasorka ka babanta nakapor ka baslang ban ibabun ngila kren siya bat chatay balay bangi hapan niya snok ti bang bat kini diway bat ki party hakan ni kasorka ka babanta pinakaliang jungi iong hinle kumlo aba upat ba ula ay taka mandit Ang riwot nina ban piki pasay pala adu kata lig babon gi sumpu bakla bomba ka UDP ka de rong sier adu ni sorka dala kamon ka UDP ban ong kumni bat kumtai katambut ka de sorka kan hapan ko ngobe among kumtai ya ban sumpu ha ya ka de benta mulai ka ay ka bas mo tama patay ka long kani hadin ka arajar khatra kadon patay ka jing perkhat la se nakaliang jong gipat ba nong shnong hakan ni jela bakawan ru kan ni jingkala ban ni job sautli ki by election adien ka arajar khapra ni job ya ka by election hang te ha shela ni job ya ka by election hang te ha radiko
na traisyen nakaliang jong kanong po ro inya perkhat kam thmai lan ne bangin ya watlat walanti da kumno bangin ya pentelun ki kam jong ka parti po nong po te nga dontang kawai ban ay man sim ki nong kersyam di jungi ki nong tre man ki sub circle ka baki ya phone ki long ba nakaliang jog UDP ngin le kum no kongres nga i tang kawai baka jingen le hapo nong po constituency hi kadai ka kongres bat ka UDP te lada ki tam makiru ki tam tang kendian ladang hitam mangi ha ka por banga nga jog kum ke MPC ru ki tam tang kendian.
Very glad today that we are having a special executive committee of the district, UDP, and in this meeting we have agendas to strengthening the party, and we have decided that all the circle, we mean constituencies, all the 5 constituencies will to get new members elected, so that we can move ahead for party the preparation of the election. So in fact, today is a very good day for us, that group from Bat Hok Nongmalieh and his followers joining the party. This is a very positive sign of the party. Despite in fact, we didn't have any elected representative in the assemblies and this council, but still people are joining with us. This is a good sign for the party. So we expect the other MLAs who belong from the other parties from the River district, we are requested them to join with us for the good cause of the River district and for the interest of the state as a whole.
Today's meeting. Okay. You see, this is the first meeting of our party in River district UDP after a long time, especially after the pandemic, right from 2019 and then 20 and 21. So this year we got a good chance, so to say, because of the pandemic is not so much comparing to the previous years. So this is the first meeting we are conducting for the entire of River district, but as a special SK committee for River district today. At the same time, we are also inducting the new members who are joining together with the party UDP in our River district, that is from Jirang constituency, Shri Bat Hok Nongmalieh with his groups of his friends, and at the same time Mr. Clusters in, who is also one of the members who is very prominent from the River district, so to say, and he has also taken a good decision and joined himself as a full member of the party UDP in River district. And this is something like a starting of our party UDP from River district UDP, and we hope that from now on many things are yet to come, because as we have already started today, so we keep on going to reorganize or to strengthen our party for the entire of our River district, means for the 5 constituencies of our in our River district. Strengthening the party, we have taken a decision. In fact, this is not a new thing for us. This is a normal practice of our party right from the previous years. We have to start right from the district level and then down to the circles, means constituency, sub-circle, and to the primary unit, means in the village level.
Yes, but I think we want to see the people for the district that to kickstart the campaign of the for election 2023. We will, in very short time, we will be directing the Jirang constituency to welcome all the members from different parties. Like some of them are belong to the MPP, Congress, and he will be joining soon to the party. And we expect that if protocols allow us, and if the Deputy Commissioner allows us with due permission, then we will have a good gathering somewhere in Patatma or Jirang. There will be a big gathering where we expect that party president Medba Lingdo, who is now the speaker of the assembly, and all the MLA ministers may come then to encourage us. That means so that we can get strength in the district where we don't have any representative.